Hi, everyone. I know that many of us are still very much on summer mode and are enjoying the summer weather in August. But if you are someone who is already thinking ahead to the fall and starting to do some reflection around your teaching and revising your courses for the fall and the academic year, I'd love to present to you universal design as a framework in which to consider and think about in that revision process. So, the idea of universal design originates from architecture, where you're really trying to create products and spaces that allow for everyone to be used in the greatest extent possible. So, regardless of age, status, or ability, and universal design for learning in higher education really use those same ideas and applies them to a teaching and learning context. So, it can be, if you're looking at the UDL guidelines, there's three main principles and then guidelines that are under that on the graphic organizer. And it can be a lot to look at first. But honestly, thinking about using a plus one approach and maybe just thinking about multiple means of action and expression could be a great place to start as one thing to work on. So this kind of plus one approach. For example, when I was taking a class over last year, my instructor, when they offered an assignment, allowed us to submit the assignment either in 3 paragraphs written, so very contained also, and one or alternatively a 1 minute video. So it allowed me some choice and agency as a learner to choose the type of expression and communicating my learning in the way that worked best for me. So that's just one example. The guidelines can probably provide you with a lot of food for thought and considerations. There's also examples there to look at. And I'm happy to work with folks and kind of share a little bit more or provide some other examples of some different plus one approaches that could be a way to look at your material and think about becoming more adaptive in how to support different learners and, kind of creating spaces where lots of different learners can strive or can thrive and contribute their talents and expertise. So I will incorporate some links for you to look at as well. Thanks so much.